Hello. BayInfotech is an award-winning Cisco partner with strong expertise across SD-WAN. BayInfotech leverages its BigPass platform to provide users and partners dozens of hands-on labs without the need for a real kit on-prem. Let's begin by giving you a quick overview of what you will learn about in the Cisco SD-WAN Service VPN Prefer ISP lab. Traffic engineering has existed for decades using protocols that are configured manually on each device, such as a router in the branch office or a router that connects sites over the WAN. These include VRF Lite, which requires manual VRF configuration on every device along the path. And L3 VPN VRF that requires configuration on the customer edge routers. Legacy solutions do not support load balancing on multiple ISP links and still require manual configuration and can be time-consuming and costly. Utilizing BigPass, you will learn to use Cisco SD-WAN and configure Service VPN Prefer ISP policy in a live simulated SD-WAN fabric. Traffic engineering using Cisco SD-WAN allows organizations to load balance Service VPN traffic between two ISPs, wherein we have the links operating in active-active mode. This lab will walk you through the fundamentals of this policy creation. Let's go ahead and look into how we create the policy. I'll take a moment here. So you can view my dashboard, which is my vManage. This is the main dashboard here, which you're viewing. So before which, I just want to go ahead and show you that BRVH1 has, using VPN 10, has 4 routes. So it's not exactly load balancing. So what we're trying to achieve with this is once we activate the policy, you will see that we would choose load balancing. So if I go ahead and stimulate it here, you will see 4 routes. So we will bring it down to 2 routes where the VPN will prefer a certain ISP and will load balance it in those ways. So I go to policies, I create add policy here. We just need to ensure our colors are configured and our VPNs are configured too. So I click on next. I click on add topology. It's a custom route policy. So here I just want to go ahead and put a description. That could be anything of your choice. So I click a sequence type, create a route sequence. So here under match, I click on VPN. I'd select VPN 10 here and go to color list, select the list MPLS for VPN 10, after which I'd go to actions, accept, go to preference, type 100 preference for this particular route, click on save and match actions. I do a similar sequence rule for VPN 20 as well. Right, and I select VPN 20. My color list for this VPN would be Business Internet. I go back, go to Actions, click on Accept, go to Preference, put my preference as 100, as done for VPN 10, click on Save and Match Actions. Now, before I click on Save Control Policy, I need to go to Default Action, which by default is rechecked. Need to go ahead and accept it and save and match actions. And after which I go ahead and save control policy. So you see that a custom control policy is created. I click on next, click on next. Here I need to create a topology. So I put in the same description for this. So here it is. and I create a new site list where I could select DC1, DC2, and all my branches. So I need to click on add. So that's been added, and I click on save policy. So you see here, the policy has been created, and I did show you what is the output when the policy is not active. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is go ahead and activate the policy. The activation process takes about a couple of minutes here. So this would become green in first, and then this would become green later on. So we just wait for it to be applied. It says still in progress. It says success. So I'd go down similarly to my network. Go to the same device, VR1, VH1. Go under to troubleshooting. And down here, see simulate flows. So here, I go select VPN 10. Interface, destination. And I click simulate. So you see here, it's reduced to 2, where it will be load balancing on the following parts. Similarly, for VPN 20, right here, I changed the destination IP and click on stimulate. Here you go. So now you've noticed that we've gone ahead and configured it. And this is how we are exactly portraying load balancing. So now that you're familiar with what the Service VPN ISP lab covers, please reach out to your BayInfotech representative and learn how BitBus can help you and your team learn about traffic engineering or one of the many other SD-WAN use cases available within BitBus. Thank you.